Right, this is a follow on to the last video I did. This is version 4 XP deus. I'm testing hammered coin, a small hammered coin, a cut quarter hammered coin, what I've just dropped, small silver, a medium sized silver, and a large silver. It's a lot chattier because one, I'm inside the house and there's a lot of EMI and electrical appliances in the house, and this is a really deep program. Some people like this, some people don't. It's currently on the XY screen because it comes as standard on this. So we'll start off with the hammered coin. Notice it does a graph from left to right. That's telling you it's a coin. It's about 10 inches. Smaller hammered coin. This should be a smaller graph. Probably about 6-7 inches. Cut quarter, this will be a tiny little graph just going from left to right. Four inches on a good day. Right, small silver. See the left to right. If it's a good coin, it'll give you a lovely straight line. But in the field, it sometimes can make like a bit of a wavy line, but it's roughly round about a straight line. A medium sized silver. This is a smaller line, 9 inches. Silver Gothic florin. Big silver. This should be a big clear tone. Great big line. See, the farther away it gets from the coil, the smaller the line is. It's a bit like the horseshoe, whereas it's on the horseshoe it's just a tip on the right hand side. So right, well, let's move on to the next program. This is Wet Beach. Now let's try out Wet Beach. I don't think many people have used Wet Beach on this, so we'll try it. Start again. Hammered coin. Six inches. Hammered. 5 inches on a good day. 4 inches. Small silver. 6.5 inches. A medium sized silver. 6.5, 7 inches. Large silver. 8 inches. Wet Beach on an air test, you're not getting it above 8 inches really, but it's not same as what's in ground. These air tests are good, but it's just giving you a rough idea with numbers. So, right, let's move on to the next setting. Should be dry beach, yeah. Some people don't like version 4, but I think version 4 is brilliant. I do honestly, I think the tones are a lot clearer. That's my opinion. Everybody's got their own opinions. It just seems to work better for me anyway. So, right, we're on dry beach now. Nine-inch hammered coin. 7.5, 8 inch. Cut quarter, 5.5 inches. Small silver, high tone, 8 inches. Medium size silver, 10 inches. Large silver, 11 inches. So it's not too bad. Dry beach is quite good. It's alright, it works. So to be honest, when I'm on dry beaches, I don't use dry beach. I use one of my own custom programs, and then if it really gets really noisy, I switch to wet beach. I mean, I've not done a lot of beach detecting, but that's what I do. So right, let's check the next settings. This is hot. I love this program, really good. It works in full tones, so it's got a hell of a lot of tones going off at the same time. Really good. It's some people don't like it, but it's very chatty in the field. But I like to hear what's happening in the field. It kind of gives you an idea of what area you're going over, and the iron and your targets. And if you hear a good target, it tends to like zoom out. It like lifts a lot clearer than what the iron and the little blips. You hear a lot of little blips when you're in the field, and you need to hear the like high peak tones. You can tell them once you get used to the tones. You can tell them after a bit. So right, let's carry on. Right, hammered coin. Nine inches. Medium size. 6, 7 inches. Cut quarter. 5, 5.5 inches. Small silver. 7.5 inches. Medium size silver. In the field, that when you hear a medium tone like that, a high tone, sorry, like that, it absolutely blows your ears off. 8 inches. Large silver. 9.5, 10 inches. So right, let's go on to it next. Right, Goldfield. Right, that's the next. This is absolutely crazy deep. I think it's designed for a lot of minerals in the ground. So right, let's start again. Hammered coin. Ten inches. Medium size. 8 inches. Cut quarter. This program's it's one of them you've just got to get used to. It's not easy. Right, small silver. 7 inches. Medium size silver. 8 inches. A large silver. 10 inches. It's a good one. It's designed for highly mineralized ground and stuff like that. So right, I'm just going to pause you. Right, this is a sifter program. It's quite a decent program. It's ideal for trashy areas and things like that. I'll show you its settings. Press your middle button, top middle button, which is your menu. Discrim on 7. Sensitivity 95. 11 kilohertz. Iron volume 0. Reactivity 1. Audio response 4. No notch. So I don't think that's right actually, I think that's wrong. I think I've got